Hi friends, today we will do unboxing of this Nesta Toys, and this is a wooden city building blocks with 115 pieces. It's a very interesting game for kids where you can make a supermarket, police station, hospital, museum, store, hotel, cafe, fire station, police station. Now we will unbox all the blocks, metropolis buildings, and see how it looks. This is for storing the wooden blocks. Okay, we can see different types of blocks here. And this is the next set. Now we will uncover the toys. And these blocks are very smooth. Wooden blocks, harmless for the kids, no sharp edges at all. We'll open the second one as well. Extremely cute taxis and cars for babies. And we also have we also have very cute little trees. This is a 20-piece puzzle which would look like this, on which the entire city can be made. This is how the blocks will look. A little supermarket, a hospital, cafe, and so on. Hope your kid enjoys this too.